Alright, so welcome to my new YouTube channel, everyone. I'm sorry I was not able to make it up to you when I promised a webinar. I think it was because of power fluctuations I couldn't make it up to you guys. I'm sorry. Now, I posted this picture on my Instagram, that is Ezekam Studios, and trust me, I've had a lot of DMs asking me to show you guys how I go about this image. So the purpose of this video is to actually transform the backdrop because the image is very simple, just a gray background. And so at the end of this video, we should be able to transform this simple backdrop to a beautiful birthday setup. All right, before you have to prepare your image. Your image should be ready for whatever you want to do. Because Gemini sometimes alters the image, it is important for you to sometimes even do your skin retouch, do your everything, let the image stand alone. Clear the backdrop, resize it before you enter any prompts from your Photoshop Gemini. So as you can see, I'm trying to liquefy some part of a body that I think something can be done about it. Now the image is solid. I cleared everything from the image. Now we have this lipstick and how do you call it on her lip? We have to clear that. But first of all, I want you to just look at the sharpness of this image. Look at the sharpness of this image. I'm not going to use any complicated tools, just a simple text. I'll just circle it and I'll circle where the lip gloss is dripping, and then I'll just use my patch tool to work on that. Now we have our image ready. Now, before you can use the generative fill tool, you need to actually tap on this tool, that is the selection tool. The moment you tap on the selection tool, you can press Ctrl X and then it will highlight your image. The moment you click that, the generative fill tool will be activated, and then you come here and then you start your prompting. Yes, if you cannot see the generative fill tool, go to your Windows and then come to contextual taskbar, and then the generative fill tool will be there. Now we are going to generate. This is just a simple generation we are going to do because the outfit is already beautiful. Yeah, so this is what I did to this image. This is what I'm typing. Add a birthday setup behind. So that is so simple. Yes, so now before you enter generate, make sure you click on where the FR is. Make sure you change it from the Firefly 3 to Gemini 3.0. The reason is that each of these tools here are specialized for different purposes. But Gemini 3 is specially known for generating beautiful backdrops. Yes, we have Gemini 2.5, the Flux, Contacts, we have the Firefly Image 3 and others. But the Gemini 3 is currently leading when it comes to Photoshop backdrop generation. So you can use that to generate the backdrop. Then you click on generate. So this image is being generated by, the backdrop is being generated by Gemini 3 Nano Banana Pro. So you wait for some seconds. Wow, and then your image is ready. Now your image is ready. Now, one thing you need to pay attention is the details of the subject. You can't save this photo and send it to your client because it might be pixelated. It won't be very sharp. The image won't be very sharp. Now, I'm going to show you the secret to how you can enhance the quality of the image that has been generated. You understand? Now, this is what I do. You unhide the generated image and then you select the subject from your initial photo, the main backdrop, the main background photo. Then you select it. You wait for a while and then Photoshop will automatically select your subject. Now, you select your subject, you check if the selections are correct, and then you duplicate the selection. You cut out the image, the subject from the background. And now what we are going to do is that we are going to push the image that has been cut out to the top layer of the generated backdrop. So now the original photo with the original background, we take the subject out and then we put the old subject on the new generated backdrop, and you make sure the image aligned with the one that we selected with the AI. This is so simple. You don't have to do a lot of things to achieve this. Now, if you haven't done any retouching on your image, you can actually retouch or do your frequency separation on this image, because this is the actual image that we ask AI to add the backdrop to it. I will be waiting for more questions in the comment section. If you are a photographer, if you're a newbie, you want to know how to go about the AI. And if you are not on the AI Photoshop subscription and you want me to show you how you can get cheap formula to manipulate your images, just send me hi, comment in the comment section. For the purposes of education, I will personally read every little comment under this video. Make sure you type whatever you think about this formula, or if you have any question about AI image generation or Photoshop manipulation, please make sure you subscribe to this channel so that I will be encouraged to do more. And also let me know which topics I should cover for you guys.